Welcome back to Quiz RAD. Get ready for the ultimate taste bud showdown: spicy, sour, or sweet. Only the bravest foodies survive this flavor storm. You'll have just 10 seconds to pick your side each round. Let's dive right into it. Would you rather try fiery hot wings, sour lemon drops, or a rainbow donut? Your taste buds are in for a wild ride. Which one's got your name on it? Would you rather munch on spicy tacos, sip sour lemonade, or bite into sweet cotton candy? Taco heat or cotton candy dreams, what are you picking? Spicy chili chocolate, sour green apple gummies, or creamy caramel fudge, which one's your vibe? Only one can win your heart. Choose before it melts. Would you rather taste spicy pepperoni pizza, sour yogurt parfait, or a sweet strawberry cupcake? This round's delicious, but can you pick just one? Spicy ramen noodles, sour pickles, or sweet pancakes, what's calling your name? Hot noodles or soft pancakes, where's your flavor loyalty? Would you rather snack on hot Cheetos, sour jelly worms, or a chocolate-covered marshmallow? This one's pure chaos. Choose your crunch. Spicy mango ice cream, sour lime sorbet, or sweet vanilla swirl, pick your scoop. Chill out or heat up, your spoon decides. Would you rather eat a spicy burger, a sour salad, or a sweet waffle sandwich? Salty, tangy, or sweet, what's your flavor code? Hot chili brownies, sour rainbow strips, or a classic chocolate chip cookie, choose fast. Dessert dilemma alert, make it quick. Find the odd one out. Great! Would you rather try spicy sushi rolls, sour grapefruit slices, or sweet mochi ice cream? Your chopsticks can only grab one. What's landing on your plate? Would you rather bite into spicy grilled corn, sour plum candy, or a sweet cinnamon bun? This round's packed with flavor. Which one gets your vote? Would you rather taste spicy nachos, sour raspberry slush, or sweet bubble tea? Crunch, chill, or sip, how are you taking your flavor break? Would you rather eat a spicy chicken wrap, sour mango pickle, or a sweet fruit tart? One wraps your tongue in fire, another in sugar. Choose your side. Would you rather snack on spicy chocolate truffles, sour gummy bears, or sweet toffee bars? Your snack attack just started. Go spicy or go classic. Would you rather crunch spicy fries, munch sour onion rings, or enjoy sweet churros? Warning, once you pick, you'll crave it all day. Would you rather have spicy grilled shrimp, sour watermelon candy, or sweet mango pudding? This one's tropical and tricky. Where's your fork going? Would you rather eat spicy jalapeno pizza, sour blueberry yogurt, or sweet banana split? From fire to freeze, which one makes your mouth water? Would you rather bite into spicy chili chips, Sour Patch Kids, or sweet chocolate muffins? One's bold, one's bright, one's baked. Pick your adventure. Guess the snack brand? It's Kit Kat. Would you rather taste spicy curry, sour cherry candy, or sweet chocolate mousse? This round's rich in flavor. Which one's stealing your heart? Would you rather eat spicy grilled tofu, sour cranberry juice, or a sweet jelly donut? It's all about balance, fire, tang, or sugar rush. Would you rather crunch on spicy nacho chips, sip sour orange soda, or taste a sweet brownie sundae? This round's packed with flavor explosions. What's your move? Would you rather have spicy Korean rice cakes, sour kiwi popsicles, or sweet cheesecake bites? Only one bite stands between you and flavor heaven. Choose wisely. Would you rather try spicy hot pot, sour blueberry candy, or sweet chocolate lava cake? This one's pure temptation. Will it burn or melt your soul? Would you rather eat spicy pepper fries, sour apple smoothie, or a sweet cream puff? Crispy, cool, or creamy, what's your flavor destiny? Would you rather slurp spicy noodles, crunch sour lemon chips, or taste sweet blueberry pancakes? The clock's ticking. Spicy steam or syrup dreams? Would you rather bite into spicy meatballs, chew sour cola gummies, or eat sweet red velvet cake? One sizzles, one shocks, one melts. Time to decide. Would you rather lick spicy cinnamon ice cream, sip sour lime punch, or eat sweet donut holes? Cool it down or crank it up. Your flavor fate's in your hands. Would you rather try spicy beef burger, sour peach rings, or sweet chocolate waffles? The grill's hot, the sweets are ready. Where's your appetite leading you? Whoa, that was one flavor-packed ride. Tell us in the comments, which team are you on? Team Spicy, and Team Sour, or Team Sweet? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRAD for more crazy challenges and food fun.